say somebody while performing istinja, there is a water vessel, a water container. I take, even yourself, you take water with the right hand to pour on your private and wash with your left hand. Now your right hand is clean and the water is not contaminated, is not polluted with any impurities. Can I use it for wudu? Yes. But if you suspect that because it's sitting in a dirty place in the bathroom and you're not sure who have been using it, don't use it for further purification. Because the water could be tahirun mutahhir, clean in itself, and can be used for further purification. And it could be tahir, but cannot be used for further purification if any of its characteristics have changed. The color is colorless, the taste is tasteless, the odor is odorless. If that changes, it's still tahir. You know, Sprite, 7-Up, water with some sugar and, gases. Can I use this for wudu? No. We drink it. Yes, it's tahir, but cannot be used for further purification. So, if you are doubting that somebody is using his dirty hand, putting it in the water container, that water cannot be used for further purification.